How to make connections on LinkedIn. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. Now, to build meaningful connections on LinkedIn, you want to personalize every connection request with a specific polite note explaining why you want to connect. So make sure you have a good profile first. Open up LinkedIn, head into your profile, and make sure you have set up your profile. Not like me here, there's no cover, there's nothing, but you want to set it up properly. I've already made a video on how you can do that. Never use the default "I'd like to add you to my professional network" message. Mention a shared interest, a piece of content they created, or a common connection to increase acceptance rates. Follow people you admire and interact with their post, liking, thoughtful commenting for a few days before sending a request. This makes you familiar to them. Also, LinkedIn's algorithm suggests relevant connection based on your industry, work history, and current network, so you can use the people you may know tool, right? You can leverage the existing connections and leverage your offline network as well. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below.